The Oracle Jet is Sage's latest espresso machine, powered by our most advanced ThermoJet heating system yet, for a faster brewing experience. With automation at every stage, from grinding to extraction and microfoam milk, the Oracle Jet delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home faster and easier than ever.
It's been a decade since we introduced the Oracle series, and during this time we've won numerous awards for our commitment to design, innovation and performance, including Good Design Australia, Red Dot and IF Design.
The Oracle series is our flagship range of espresso machines, dedicated to simplifying coffee making without compromising on quality and what we call the 4 keys formula.
In 2013, we unveiled the Oracle at the Melbourne International Coffee Expo in Australia. It revolutionized home brewing by automating grinding, dosing, tamping, and milk texturing.
In 2017, we built on the Oracle's success with the Oracle Touch, which won Product of the Year at the Specialty Coffee Association. With enhanced automation via a user-friendly touchscreen interface, a menu of cafe favorites, and the option to personalize and save each coffee setting to suit individual tastes.
Our dedication to delivering the best in-cup results and simplifying the process has led to the range's success. Now, with the Oracle Jet, we continue to build on this series by providing even greater convenience and speed.
The Oracle Jet showcases our latest advancement in ThermoJet heating technology, combined with a new ThermoJet heated group head. This marks a first for the Oracle series and Sage, setting a new standard for speed and performance. These state-of-the-art digitally printed heaters deliver our fastest and most efficient heating system, which is ready in seconds. The innovative ThermoJet heated group head is a compact version of our existing technology that sits above the shower head, delivering water at 93 degrees for a more stable and optimized extraction that's on par with professional machines.
The Oracle Jet features our new 5-inch HD touchscreen display, powered by our latest generation processor for our richest and most responsive interface yet. It offers a new dark mode option, a greater level of personalization and connectivity for the latest feature updates.
The inbuilt grinder and auto tamp makes crafting the perfect coffee easier than ever before. Equipped with Barista European precision burrs and 45 grind settings, this machine offers total flexibility in grind size adjustment. With a simple touch, auto grind, dose and tamp ensures 22 grams of coffee are precisely prepared for extraction. Personally, the Auto Tamp is one of my favourite features on the Oracle Jet because it delivers a precisely tamped coffee puck with none of the mess and guesswork of manual tamping.
Achieving the ideal espresso extraction can be challenging, but Barista Guidance simplifies the process. It detects an over or under extraction and guides users to adjust their grind size, reducing guesswork through trial and error, getting you to the perfect extraction faster. For those who prefer cold coffees, the Oracle Jet includes cold brew and cold espresso, another innovation in the Oracle series. These brew at lower temperatures, which produce more mellow and less acidic notes with light and smooth flavour profiles. For those who want a quick cold brew, the Oracle Jet delivers it in minutes. Cold espresso is also delivered in even less time.
Hands-free auto milk simplifies microfoam with calibrated settings for various milk types, including dairy, almond, soy, and oat. It guarantees optimal temperature and microfoam levels, enabling you to customize and complement your coffee experience whatever your preference. This clever wand precisely monitors the temperature within the milk. With a focus on convenience, we've also implemented Auto Queue. This feature allows you to set up your drink to automatically texture your milk as soon as the brew has finished.
The Oracle Jet represents years of meticulous redesign and attention to detail. Built from the ground up, with added touches such as the improved third wheel, warmer lighting, and refined aesthetics with luxe color options, delivering what we think is our best looking coffee machine yet. It's been a tireless, collaborative project, resulting in an incredibly fast and easy to use espresso machine. It's a captivating experience for anyone passionate about coffee.
With 10 years of success with the Oracle series, the Oracle Jet really is the benchmark redefined. It's the new standard in performance, automation, and speed, powered by our most powerful ThermoJet system yet.